Due to heavy rainfall on 23rd August, certain section of Dongkamukam Municipal Board was inundated with flood waters. On 23rd August at around 2 a.m., due to heavy rainfall that broke out at West Karbi Anglong, several villages under Dongkamukam Municipal Board was inundated with flood waters. It had created havoc and panic among the villagers. The river flowing adjacent to Dongkamukam Town, known as Dongka River, was also overflowed and made its way to the nearby villages. Moreover, due to poor drainage system installed at Dongkamukam Town, had additionally braced in causing flood at the town. Dongkamukam Town is not the only region affected by flood. Several regions in West Karbi Anglong, such as Tengkera Langso and Borthol under Rongkhang constituency, were also badly affected by flood waters. Due to flood, the owners of the residential house submerged in the water were compelled to squeeze out the locked water from inside their houses to take shelter. When our correspondent visited the site, the villagers of Kramsa village informed that earlier there was a bridge, hence no any such type of incident took place. But ever since the bridge was replaced with culverts, this is the third consecutive time that flood had occurred in the village within a year.
La aprang aning kane la son se la dak dolong kido hutke non la kalvar ki thon pe na matsi puruni thom lo non pen la son lang nang kang lo.
Wiki based report from Dongkamukam, Karbi Anglong Live.